Terrific Trains by Tony Mitton and Ant Parker. Read by Keith Wickham.
Terrific trains!
Big trains, small trains, old trains and new. Rattling and whistling. Choo, choo, choo.
We've got all kinds of trains here. Big ones that carry heavy loads and small ones that zip around the city.
Starting from the station with a whistle and a hiss, steam trains puffing and chuffing like this.
The puffs of smoke look like big fluffy clouds.
Diesel trains rushing as they rattle down the line, warning us they're coming with a long, low whine.
I can feel the vibrations through my seat. Whoa, feel that rattle. This train's really moving.
Metal wheels whirl as they whiz along the track. They shimmer and they swish with a slick click-clack. Carriages are coupled in a neat long chain. An engine pulls the carriages, and that makes a train.
It sounds like music. Clack, 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 clack.
If a train meets a river or a valley or a ridge, the train goes over on a big, strong bridge.
Wow, we're so high up. Look at that view.
If a train meets a mountain, it doesn't have to stop. It travels through a tunnel and your ears go pop.
Whoa, it's getting dark. Into the tunnel we go.
Echo, can you hear that?
Hold on tight, it's like an underground adventure.
When too many trains try to share the same track, the signals and the points have to hold some back.
Uh-oh, red light. We'll have to wait our turn.
Hold tight, everyone. We'll be rolling again in no time.
When the rail meets a road, there's a crossing with a gate. The train rushes through while the traffic has to wait.
Wow, the train is stopping for the gate. Does that mean we're almost there?
In my day, we didn't have such fancy gates. It was just a bell and a guard.
Trains travel anytime, even very late. This train's delivering a big load of freight. This train's for passengers. We'll soon be on our way. All aboard and wave goodbye. We're off on holiday.
We're off on a holiday. This is going to be so much fun. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can join us for more exciting stories and adventures.